hopefully, like me, you're going to get turned on, tuned in, and tapped about what? Lemons. Yeah, because this Saturday is National Lemon Juice Day. And why should you get excited about that? Well, I'm going to tell you why. So first, if you look very closely, I'm holding two different types of lemons. These are the most popular and the lemons of our wonderful country that are proficient. Meyer lemons, regular lemons. So what's the difference? Well, number one, this one, the regular lemon, has a rougher exterior to it. It's kind of like bumpy. It's been around a lot longer, and it tends to be a little bit bigger than a Meyer lemon, which is smooth. Big, huge difference. Meyer lemons came from China, introduced here 1900s, and it's a cross. The reason that it's smooth, it's a cross between a mandarin orange and a lemon, Meyer lemon. So they tend to be a little sweeter. They both have amazing benefits. So, how did National Lemon Juice Day come about? Believe it or not, those of you that are into music, Beyonce. Yeah, 2016 I think it is, she came out with the song Lemonade, and it went ballistic and happy, so go listen to it. And ever since then, boom, everything about lemons has been, whoa, lemons are great, la la la. Well, they've been great from day one. So let's talk about that while I get some things organized here for you. So what are the benefits of lemons? Okay, I need to get a couple little things out, and you're gonna see why. Just a second, get myself organized. But lemons, whether it's Meyer or regular, are good for the body. They're good for the environment, and they're just amazing in what they provide for your senses. So let's start with the body. We're going to be doing a recipe that's good for the body. But one of the most simplest ones, it's been around forever and ever, is for the digestion. This is water, a glass of water. I'm going to add to it pure lemon juice in a lemon essential oil that I have. So I'm going to put 1 drop, 2 drops. And I keep this around not only because it's aromatic, but because, hi Kevin, thanks for watching, guy. Not only is it aromatic, which we can do in a diffuser, but it's good for the digestion. So I'll be sipping this from time to time. And this is something that the Chinese knew forever. I mean, like it was like a medicinal thing. So it's not like new, and it's great for your kidney stones. So that's one thing that's great about for the body. So before I tell you the other things, we're gonna talk about what I'm making, and I'm gonna show you. It's very simple. I'm gonna start with our kitchen supplies. So I love things that are simple. This anybody can do. It's coming up on Saturday. You can make these ahead of time. Keep them in the refrigerator. It's a lemon snack, and no baking required. So you're gonna need a grater. You're gonna need some sort of chopping mechanism. So I'm using my little Ninja Nutra guy. I don't even know how to pronounce it. A knife to cut up your lemon. A nice stainless steel bowl. Remember the benefits of stainless steel bowl? Low on bacteria, you can see what you're doing, cleans easily. And a nice little ice cream cookie scooper. So, what are we gonna do and what are our ingredients? We're making a lemon energy snack with fresh lemons. Yeah, lemon energy snack ball, protein ball, whatever you wanna call it. So, what are our ingredients here? We are starting off with, hi Jason, thanks for watching. We're starting off with some raw almonds. Now, You can do this with cashews, you can do it with walnuts. I would suggest using almonds because of the protein and niacin and other nutrients in there, but you can use other ones. It might bring up the caloric content. So we're also going to have fresh dates. Why dates? You can use figs, a lot of fiber, and it has the nice little gooiness to it that we're gonna want to hold all of our ingredients together. So you don't have to add a lot of other juice flavors to it except our Meyer lemon, which we're using. Then we're gonna have chia seeds, some shredded coconut, and that's it, guys, with our fresh lemons. Yes. Hi, Karen. Thanks for watching. I'm so excited that you're watching. Girl, the kids will love this, Karen. Oh my God, they'll love it. So, what are we doing? We are putting together our raw almonds inside this little guy, and after we grate it up a little bit, we're gonna add the coconut, and it's gonna look something like this. Then you're gonna take 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, or tablespoon, I'm sorry, and add it to the mixture, which I've already done in there. Then we take our grater, and if you don't have one of these, I would suggest the 4-sided kind or the 3. They make a triangle so it stands, and I'll tell you why. It's very sharp, and if you get the kind that only has one, it's easy to kind of cut a little skin, and we don't want to do that. So we're going to take our Meyer lemon, and we're going to grate it. So you're going to make a nice fine grate. The reason I like the Meyer lemon, it's so much easier to grate than it is on your tougher skin. These come out in bigger chunks, and we want to have the nice aromatic and sweet flavor of the Meyer lemon. So you'll grate a little bit of that, and we're going to add that to the bowl with our dates that we've put in here. And then we're going to take 1 entire lemon, cut it in half, and put in the juice. And eventually, it's going to look like this. And the fun part, no baking. And notice that the dates, my hands have been washed, you guys, don't worry. It kind of like molds it and keeps it together. So where does our cookie guy come in? Our nice little cookie cutter ice cream. You are going to scoop this up, pat it together, and then boom, it comes out like a little half moon. And there you go. Whoops, that one didn't come out as good as my other ones. I probably didn't give it enough. Now, actually, that's a really good example, because if you find that it falls apart, what you might need to do is I'm actually glad that that happened, take your lemon, cut it in half, and just add a little bit more juice to get it the stickiness that you want. All right. Some of you are so into like, oh my God, how does it taste? And is there a lot of calories? Swear to God, stop worrying about the calories. Look at what nutrients and minerals and healthy, clean eating you're doing and how often. Then you don't worry about counting calories. However, if you are into that, one of these little guys right here is most likely anywhere between, depending on how big you make it, 50 to 75 calories. So that one came out a little bit better. And I can put that together. You can make them into balls. You can make them into half moons. They refrigerate really nicely. You can just get the kids involved and maybe make little balls like this just using your hands. And make small ones to last longer, but they're not going to last very good. So actually, I like to make the round ones when we travel because you're going to see why. Not only are they convenient to make, but watch, they're super easy to eat. All right, again, I suggest anytime you make a snack that you want to keep that doesn't last longer, hopefully you'll make it to the plate and you won't eat it all. Oh my God, it's so good. That you keep it in a refrigerated glass Tupperware top. So, 2 other benefits of this. I mentioned digestion, kidney stones, fiber, nutrients. That's the body. Let's talk about our environment. You get a good lemon essential oil. This one in particular is the Essence line. Love it because of how they extract all of their produce from an area where they're toxin free in not only the ground and the soil, but it's just wonderful how they manufacture all of their products. So no compromise products. So that's one way. The aromatic smell, it's been proven. You put a little lemon in your air and your children are happy, your guests arrive happy. Oh, it's just amazing. And the last thing, believe it or not, that I'm going to leave you with is what you can do with lemons in your home. Today, believe it or not, instead of going to play pickleball before doing this, I came and woke up to ants in my kitchen. Yeah, maybe it's the heat. So, I happen to have lemons. One of the things that helps eliminate ants in your home is squeezing fresh lemon juice on their trail. They hate the smell of lemon. So you have a nice smelling kitchen, ants go away. Yeah, little tidbit, right? All right, so tuned in, tapped in, turned on. You let me know what you will be doing this weekend to celebrate National Lemon Juice Day. Send me a comment below. Are you going to make this? Are you going to go out and buy some lemons? Let me know. I will be putting the recipe in the comments. I would love to hear how you are going to celebrate, and hopefully it's not checking out the ants. Lemon Juice Day. Talk to you soon. Bye.